This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can enable and manage the photo shooting mode on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to take your action pod and then go into the mode selection or shooting mode selection interface, which you can do by either tapping at the currently active mode here, or you can also do that by swiping left or right from the middle of your screen. So give me a second here. Just like that. Now scroll those modes until the photo mode is selected, then tap on it to close the shooting mode selection. Now when it comes to changing the shooting parameters or properties, swipe upwards from the bottom part of your screen like that, and here you can switch the format between GPG, GPG plus RAW, or pure shot. You can also change the aspect ratio, as well as set the timer. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.